Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Lloyd from Nagar branch. In this class, I will tell you how to create rendering in Autocad. First, I will take a simple drawing. Like this. This is the simple component drawing. I will take it and how to render this object. Go to visualize and add the material. And click on Autodesk library. I will take metal. Take this part to aluminum and this part to aluminum and also this part, and change visual styles like realistic and close this. And you can see you can view configuration, name, join, resolve, go with 2D. You can see that like 2D concept. You can see hidden, realistic. These are the visual styles, and choose realistic. And this no face style, realistic face, harmful face. So no face style or realistic face style, select, create light. First take shadows, ground shadows or full shadows. I will choose full shadows. Create a light. From there are 4 types of lights. First one point, second one spot, third one distance, fourth one web light. I will take spot. Turn off the default lighting and place where exit. And next go to send status and again material mapping like this box, cylindrical, sphere. Next go with camera, create camera and camera display. First go to camera display. So you can see the visual styles like this: front view, top view, bottom view. I choose like this. Next go to render size. I will choose, there are so many types of render size like 800 into 600 px means pixels. Okay, and I will choose that 1920 into 1080 full HD TV. And this is the quality of image style like low, medium, high, and I will choose medium and go to this render to size. So you can see the rendering will be started. So easily save this file. So easily save this file. Again we go change material. Change light and again go to render. So you can see the render will be here like this. You can give maximum best, like in this low means picture is low quality, medium is low quality, and it's taking low times or less times. High means the picture is very well quality and taking a maximum time. So you can choose how you can choose that options. The image will be taking here. Okay, so I will choose like high, go to render like this and render. It's take a maximum time. Like this. So this is the object, and this is to how to create the rendering option in Autocad. Thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel.